subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Gadgetbusters.
Now you can see after configuring, you can play the game here by clicking this. The game responds over there, and by tapping this is actually the A button as per the Xbox. Hello guys, this is Swagat and you're watching Gadgetbusters, and today in this video I will tell you how to have Xbox or PlayStation gaming experience in your PC or laptop. So for that you have to buy one of these controllers that is called the Gamepad. Don't worry, this doesn't cost much because I bought a generic model made in China. This is and some brand like Quantum. This was quite popular in Amazon, and it costed me around just 300 rupees along with the delivery charges. So other brands like some Logitech or other brands of good quality, you will get for about 1000 to 3000 range. So this is a pretty cheap one, and in this I don't feel this one is very cheap. It has a bit weight, and the buttons are also very good. I have also used this. I have also played some games with this, and it is very much satisfied in this price range. So before that, let me just tell you, this is a USB one. This is not the other one we play with our old video games. This is the USB one, especially for your laptop or your PC. You can play most of the modern games in this. Old games also you can also play with this, but there are pretty some other games that you may not able to play with this. So before that, another thing is that you have to use some special configuration in your PC so that this will work properly with your PC. Otherwise it will not work directly on your PC. Keeping it aside, we have to see the box contents. This is the box. Is pretty cheap packing, and it's also completely written that it's made in China, and it also gives a driver CD inside this, because in Windows 10 you will not get the automatic driver installation, so it also gives a driver installation CD. So for the especially for the Windows 8 and the Windows 10 users. For Windows 7 I think there will not be any problems. So coming to this controller again, you can see we have two joystick buttons. This one is specially for the direction selection, and this one is for the movement. These are also the movement keys. This is the select, start and analog button, and these are the action buttons. And here you have left and right buttons. This side two buttons and this side two buttons. So nothing much in this, and it's actually the build quality is pretty nice, and the cord length is also good, so you can play from a distance from your PC or your laptop. So now in the this part of the video I'm going to show you how to configure this with your PC or laptop with some simple softwares, just about 1 to 2 MB in size, and it's very easy to configure, and you can enjoy your games in Xbox or PlayStation style. So let's continue to the another part of the video. So guys, in this part of the video I will show you how to configure this gamepad with your laptop or PC so that you can have Xbox or PlayStation gaming experience. So first of all I have to go to the browser and search in Google X360CE, and in the results you will get this first one, x360ce.com. You have to open that, and from this site you have to download this software. This is actually a controller emulator, so it has both 32-bit and 64-bit. It doesn't depend on your PC, it actually depends on which bit game it is. So it is good if you download both of these files. So here it is 32-bit and 64-bit. These are in RAR files. You have to download and extract them. So after downloading you will get the files like this. I have already downloaded this. So some games need 32-bit and some other games need 64-bit. So most of the games need 32-bit, and some games like GTA 5 need both 32 or 64. So in this we will do the trial using the 32-bit. So by opening the 32-bit, you will get this file. You have to copy the file, and after copying the file, you have to choose the game in which you want to configure the controller. For example, I am taking the game Sleeping Dogs. So right click on the game icon and go to the properties of the games and open file location, because you have to paste that file in the location where the actual games launcher is present. So here you can see the games launcher is here, so you have to paste this file here. So after pasting this, make sure right now you have connected to the internet. So after that, you have to right click on the icon, and then you have to click run as administrator. After doing so, you will get a pop-up like this, that this DLL file is missing. So you have to create that file by clicking here. So after clicking this, you will get another pop-up window. You have to wait a bit. So right now I didn't get any other pop-up window, but you may get another pop-up window to download that file. Because I have already done this, so it didn't ask me to download that. So just click next and finish in that by connecting to the internet. It will automatically get downloaded. But after, when the first the window opens, just click on the auto icon in the auto here, and it will automatically configure the buttons with the console. So in this you can also check which button is what. For example, like I'm using this button, you can see it's moving over here, and while using this one, it is also moving. But one problem you may see, that I'm right now clicking this button, tapping here, but the upper button is blinking, so it is not configured properly. To configure that, you have to manually do that by clicking here. You click record and press that button that is blinking in the screen. So this one, sorry, this is not that button. And for the rest of the buttons, you also do like that. And for this part, you also record your button over here and here, and this one is here, and this one is here. So now you can see this side buttons are also working, this joystick and these buttons are working properly, and you just do a final checkup whether the right button is blinking or not. So after configuring this, it has two settings. If you want to use this one, you can press the analog button and check the joystick for those right side buttons. So after that, you just save the settings and close this, and then you just you can see here the DLL files have been created. By closing this, you just open the game. Just wait for the game. Now you can see after configuring, you can play the game here by clicking this. The game responds over there, and by tapping this is actually the A button as per the Xbox. You can use this joystick to scroll up and down. We're going to the main story, and then we are going to continue the game, and after that we will wait for the game to load. So meanwhile, you can see it is working as per the joystick. This is for movement and this is for direction, and this will work only if the analog button is on. If you off the analog button, then these buttons will get activated. So after that, these are the action keys. You can see you can perform actions like with this, and you can also use other actions like running and other things. So again, you can also use and for driving, usually in every game you have the buttons, these two buttons for driving purpose, you can see, and for turning you have to use this joystick. You can see it's working fine. It's actually pretty much fun, and you'll actually feel that you are playing in Xbox or PlayStation, and you can play from a bit distance from your laptop or PC. Actually now I'm playing in my laptop. For pausing, this start button works fine for the pause menu, and you can use select button over here to continue the game. And this is the back button. This is the exit button. So these things are pretty much fine actually, and the product is also good. I will definitely recommend for beginners. After getting practiced, you can also buy the higher end models of these controllers. I don't know to what duration it will last, means it will work fine, and I have just bought it a few days back, so I'm not sure about it. So thank you for watching this video. I think you'll like this video, and you will definitely have the Xbox experience just for about 300 rupees. So this is the Sleeping Dogs game. Okay, thanks. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and please do hit that bell icon in the video. Thank you. Bye bye.